Hey everyone, and today I'll show you how to make this very easy origami box. This is a very easy tutorial since sometimes you just need a container and you don't have anything at hand, so I figured this will come in handy. So for this tutorial I'm just gonna take a square sheet of paper, but technically it could be folded from other size, like an A4 or a letter size. It will just change the shape, but yeah. So to start off, we're gonna fold our square in half. Now we're going to unfold and fold the sides towards the center line. Okay, so now you're going to fold a thin strip of paper from the center, like that. Make sure it's even all the way through. Like that. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Try and make them equal width, but yeah. But there's no exact measurement, so just sort of eyeball a narrow strip of paper. So it should look like that afterwards. Then you're gonna unfold the strips, and now you're gonna grab the corners and fold them right up to the crease that you just made. So here I'm folding it right up to the crease, and now you're gonna repeat the same with all the 4 corners. And the final one. And then you're gonna fold the strip of paper back, like that, on both sides. So we're basically done here. All you have to do now is open the box by lifting the paper here, and you're gonna make few additional folds. So first of all, you're going to fold the paper right here on the inside, fold it inwards, and then you're going to make a fold right here on both sides. Just sort of pinch the paper, and now we're going to do the same on the other side. So folding inwards right here, and then folding or pinching the corners. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and see you next time on my channel.